Hi guys, here I am in my nice warm shower, but we're going to switch that off now because we're going to have a cold shower. I'm going to show you how to take a cold shower. So, we turn it on. Step number 1. Okay? Let it get nice and cold. And then you've got to prepare your mind. Okay? You're going to go into this and you're not going to freak out, you're going to stay calm. So let's just start with the extremities, hands, feet, that's it. Just acclimatizing to the cold. And then around the shoulders, breathe. You might have the tendency to want to go, that's not what we do here. We stay calm. We use all of the breathing that we've learned in our yoga practice to stay nice and calm. Long, deep breaths. That's it. All around. And we stay here for 15 seconds, and then you may build it up to 30. And eventually, over time, you'll be able to do longer, up to 2 minutes and beyond. But just start 15 seconds. But remember to breathe, remember to stay calm. Your mind is a lot more powerful than you think. You have the power.